out of our center and are testing patients for the virus before surgical procedures. Now more than ever, where you start matters.
All right, so what's going on, everybody? Adam Neely with Bill. Where is it? I can't even see. I'm all messed up with the mask on. Build, Guild, and Refine TV coming back at you with another episode. What you doing, man?
Trading blades.
Trading blades.
Trading blades, gotta cut some plastic.
Popping a new blade in there?
Yeah.
Got your mask on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kinda sorta.
Kind of, sort of.
Yeah.
Well, so we're starting a new job. We got to have our masks on. We're out here in the beautiful area of Chester Springs, Pennsylvania, and I really do love this area. So let's go take a look at what we're doing. We're making a big hole in somebody's wall. We're making big holes. We're going to blast a big hole in somebody's house. We're taking two rooms, a sitting room or a family room, and the kitchen, and putting a pass through a giant hole, and what else? That's it.
Yep.
It'll be a good time. Let's go. Alright, so we're using our zip pulls to get this plastic up. And we've got two different kinds of zip pulls, which is kind of a pain. Actual zip pulls, which are these, which have they're spring loaded up at the top, or these non-zip pull easy ups, which has the spring at the bottom, like a pogo stick. Alright, now I don't like these pogo stick zip pulls. I prefer the top spring loaded zip pulls, like that right there, rather than the pogo stick. Don't get them confused, because when you start loading one the wrong way, you're gonna break it. All right, everybody, so it is demo time. We've got the PVC molding off of the wall, and we've got this beautiful wall covering left. I mean,
Coconut hair.
coconut, yeah, that's good. It's coconut hair, right? So we've all got our masks on, and these are our wonderful homeowners for the job, Megan and Brian. And we've got everything pretty much quarantined off, but they decided they wanted to come join us and swing a sledgehammer. So whenever someone wants to swing a sledgehammer, we give them a chance to swing a sledgehammer. Now, Megan, you're pretty excited to swing a sledgehammer. And I was thinking to myself, we could give you one of the smaller hammers, or you could just experience the big hammer. Would you like to just experience the big hammer?
Sure.
All right. Now, this is Thor's hammer.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Now, you've got some options here. Anywhere you see a screw here, this is where there's a stud, right?
Right.
So if you swing into a stud, that may not feel so good for you.
Okay.
But if you'd like to swing through in between, you may come out the other side. So I'm excited to see what you choose.
I'm hoping to not hit a stud.
All right. All right. Yeah. All right. All right.
Well done.
Yes.
There you go.
All right.
I'll have to go to the gym today.
She's going. Feel the whole wall shaking? All right, she's almost through.
through.
Almost through.
I see light.
There you go. There's a stud.
Almost through.
There's a stud. You want to bust through? All right, there's your, look at that.
And there's the living room.
There's your living room. And soon enough, it will be all one room. Brian, do you want to swing a sledgehammer?
Sure, why not? I'll just keep the same side going.
Yeah, I mean, we're already through the other side. We're ready. There it is. Ball's coming down. I think there's no turning back now.
Yep, we're committed.
Pretty much stuck.
Yes, we are committed.
There we go.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Brian, there's your living room.
Right. And that's what we're going to see.
Awesome, Brian.
Well, we're excited to get this project going for the two of you. I think this is obviously going to really change the ambiance of this entire floor. So we're going to let you guys get back to work because I know you're both working from home and you both have a lot to do.
Sounds good.
And so do we.
Yeah, we'll leave it to it.
All right, good. Sounds good, guys. Thanks again.
Good stuff.
All
You
right.
got it.
We're looking forward to it. So good morning, friends and family. It's day 2 over here at this bust a hole in the wall job. I guess that's what we'll call it for now. As you can see here, maybe many of you will be happy to notice that my poison ivy here is healing well, hasn't spread, but looks pretty bad. I like to stay clean shaven, as you probably have noticed, so I can't shave, so it's kind of bothering me a little bit. But demo went very smoothly yesterday. Now this is not a builder standard. This is an actual custom home, and I really do like this home, especially the location and the design of everything here. So having this opening between their kitchen and their family area, just a breezeway, is really going to open up the entire home because you'll be able to see from one end to the other. Now what we're doing, Master Carpenter MC Chatter will be boxing out these faux beams that we're building to mimic the actual beams in the adjacent room. So when you're sitting in one room or the other and you look through to the opposite side of the home, you're going to have continuity. So let's go take a look. Oh, I gotta put my mask on first, I forgot. I don't even know what the masks do. I've been reading some tests that say that the masks don't really do anything, but especially something like this, which is just cloth. But this is what I've got. All right, let's get in there. So there's a hole in the wall now. We've got a nice pass-through between these two sides of the home. We're going to be able to see from one end all the way across to the other, which gives it a nice open feel. Now, as I kind of anticipated when looking at this job, there was a little bit of a electrical mess up in here hidden in this wall. That tends to happen with this era, but sometimes it's really the only thing a builder can do to hide everything they need to hide. So everything's going well. We're going to change this threshold from what was going to be the matching tile to a nice piece of oak. So everything's going well, as I would hope it would. Well, everyone, it's a yucky, rainy, kind of chilly day out here in Pennsylvania. We're wrapping up this job here, the hole in the wall job. And I just wrapped up 2 little landscaping jobs for the day. Actually took my 2 sons with me, and it went pretty well. It's kind of fun. Man, I'm gonna get in there before this rain really comes down, but the guys should be wrapping up. Let's go. I have a coping hole. Yeah, just talk it, not too long bit. Oh, that's great. All right, people, so as you can see, well, focus, okay. As you can see, it's done. And I can't be happier. Master Carpenter Chatter really knocked this one out of the park. Home run! Because this was a tough one. This was a tough one. We were matching the beams in there. And we've used lots of different stains. But see, this matches the entertainment unit more. So now the homeowners get to sit here and enjoy this nice, beautiful opportunity to communicate. The age and the style of this home really required some special attention in matching this style of this opening to the rest of the home, because this is what you're facing in the other room. Okay? Now initially we were going to do a post and beam style, but the homeowners made a decision that I'm really happy about with the way that Chatter trimmed this out, so it's more of a column and beam, and it looks fantastic. Just fantastic. So we're going to wrap this thing up. We've got more work to do. Catch you in the next one.
I haven't the masks.